Great event. I've had a chance to stop by there a couple of years, and it's always really rewarding to hear from all of those different faith organizations. Look at that snow up at government camp. Who would have thought after a 70-degree day just a few days ago?
Yes, and now we're just right in the thick of winter, it feels
Amazing.
like. Yeah, up on the mountain, you can see the snowfall building. Don't get caught off guard if you're thinking about going up there tomorrow. We are going to have plenty of snowfall late tonight, down into the foothills as well of the Cascades and through the Coast Range. It's going to be kind of a busy night as this system does move on through, and another one behind that. Kind of a chain over the next couple of days. It's going to be cool and it's going to be unsettled. If you're doing any sort of driving here through the Coast Range up to the Cascades for tonight into tomorrow morning, yes, have the chains, have all your gear ready. Snow totals pushing about a foot of snowfall. We'll have some heavy snowfall on Sunday as well, then on Monday too, and we may even get some of those snow levels down to about 1,000 feet late tonight. The winter weather advisory through the Coast Range and into the Cascades there. Tonight until Monday, winter storm warning, that little slice of pink right here, that's in place tomorrow night into Monday. Very busy. Here's my thoughts so far. For Sunday, just some cool showers along the Willamette Valley here. Maybe a couple isolated thunderstorms, could include some small hail for tomorrow. We know about the winter alerts. We just looked at that. The Coast Range, some foothills of the Cascades, and up into the Cascades. We'll be dealing with some snowfall. Again, significant snowfall at times. Monday's a different story. An area of low pressure moves into the coast. That could mean snow levels dropping a little bit further there. Valley snow is unlikely at this point in time, but I'm not ruling it out just yet. We may actually have a mix, but just based off of the time of the year and the temperatures aloft, it's going to be very tough for us to get some snowfall down to the valley floor. Here comes the rain moving in from the northwest tonight. Snowfall for the Cascades up in Washington and through areas of Oregon as well. That's the first disturbance that's moving on through. Late tonight, we even had some thunderstorms up into areas of Washington. All right, we have another disturbance that will be developing in this trough as we go into Monday. That's going to be the system that may even lower the snow levels as we get into Monday. I'll show you late tonight that heavy rain that we're experiencing now is going to kind of push down to the south. Very isolated and scattered for tomorrow morning. Heading into the afternoon, we may get a couple sun breaks, may lead to a couple thunderstorms. You can see some more rain just to the west of us. Snowfall for the mountains. Watch what happens as we go into late Sunday night. Plenty of rain for the valley, and everything starts to collapse into areas of the Willamette Valley as snow levels start to drop because of that consistent and steady rain. So it's possible as we go into early Monday morning that there may be some areas around the Willamette Valley and up into areas of the Cowlitz Valley up there where we see snowfall down to the valley floor, and it's going to take some steady rain for it to really start pulling in that cold air. So we'll keep an eye on that. I'm going to have updates tomorrow. Weather models are still adjusting. All right, we get to Monday night. We still have snowfall for the Cascades, central and eastern Oregon, and then kind of the same song and dance as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. So far, weather models are preventing any sort of snowfall to the Willamette Valley floor, at least this one here, but just a whole bunch of snowfall. We'll just call it a whole bunch for up on the mountains. All right, Sunday, 48 degrees. Check out Monday morning, 34. We get to Monday at 46. I have rain and maybe a mix. 36 degrees Tuesday morning. We stay cool all week. 50s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Sure looks like maybe next Saturday we'll get back into maybe the upper 50s, but cool week. Sure isn't looking like early April, Wayne.
No, it's not, but we could certainly use all that snow up in the mountains, so we'll take it.
Yes.
All right. Now